What if you could cover an entire property with zero dead zones, zero wiring, and crystal clear 10x zoom? Today we are looking at the solar-powered, low-power security camera. If you're looking for a serious outdoor security setup that handles everything from total darkness to remote monitoring without needing a complex electrical grid, stay tuned because this triple lens system packs some incredible features. Let's start with what sets this hardware apart, the optics. This is a triple lens PTZ camera featuring a powerful 10x zoom. Traditional security cameras lose all their detail the moment you try to zoom in on a distant gate or driveway. With the 10x zoom capability, you get sharp, crystal clear viewing both day and night, ensuring you can clearly capture important details like faces or license plates when it matters most. Next up is power and connectivity, which is usually the biggest headache for outdoor setups. This unit features a built-in battery paired with an efficient solar power panel, creating a true low-power, wire-free security solution. Furthermore, it supports both Wi-Fi and 4G connectivity, giving you the flexibility to install and monitor the camera even in remote locations where a standard Wi-Fi router won't reach. When it comes to protection, the camera doesn't cut corners. It features advanced motion detection, an integrated alarm system, and intelligent lighting to deter intruders instantly. Whenever movement is detected, it triggers an app message pushed directly to your phone. Plus, with two-way audio, you can speak and listen in real time, keeping you connected to your property no matter where you are. For your recordings, you get secure cloud storage options, and the multi-sharing feature lets multiple users access the feed easily. Setup is designed to be straightforward for total peace of mind. If you need a robust off-grid capable security solution with 10x zoom and triple lens coverage, this camera is definitely worth a look. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think of the triple lens security camera.